Welcome to Travel Tech Fun. Today we are gonna unbox Airtel Internet TV DTH box. Welcome to Travel Tech Fun. Today we are gonna review Airtel Internet TV. I bought it for myself. This is not a paid review at all. On the box, details are mentioned. This is it. And since it's a smart TV, it can play Android TV, 4K ready, touch-based remote that we'll see, voice search, YouTube, Netflix, everything that the Android TV can do. I already had done a video on Android TV. I'll drop a link of it. And let's see how this looks and what all it contains. Let's open the box. On opening the box, we got the set-top box along with the power adapter, HDMI cable to connect to the TV, a remote. This remote is special. They have this trackpad instead of the buttons. They have buttons tactile, but this is also a trackpad. This helps in navigating in Android. If you have seen my Android TV box video, that is just in $11, like 1500-1600 Indian rupees. It is hard to navigate with the remote. So we have the other QWERTY remote with us. In this case, this is the only remote that is provided, and this is a trackpad that will help us navigate. This is the card that is now used. Previously it was just a card like an ATM or a Metro card, but now this is a metal sheet. I'll just open it up and show it to you. This is the card holder actually. This is the connector. This will be connected to the DTH box and the card goes here. Let's take an overview what our button is there. This is the power button. This is the indicator of Wi-Fi, power and recording, and this is the USB port. Just hold on. Yeah, this is the USB port. You can add pen drive or something like that here. On this side, it has a slot for SD card. Yeah. On back of it, it has. This is for the cable, the connection. This is the power. This is audio video, HDMI port, USB for LAN, and this is optical. This is for LAN if you have internet connection and connected directly to here. The minimum requirement is 4 Mbps, I think. And on this side, this is a card slot. Here we can insert this card. Let me insert this and show it to you. Now the card slot is inserted, the adapter for the card, and now this completes the Airtel TV connection. First of all, I think this is huge for the size because this Android TV works absolutely fine. This is small in size, this is light, this is very light, and this works. Airtel TV gives us the connection and the power of this Android TV and the Airtel DTH box. This is all combined in Airtel Internet box. This looks beautiful. First of all, I'll say this is huge, too huge for the size, but it looks beautiful. I'm expecting it to get dirty because it's a glass bag, but it has all the connection that you need and extra USB port and everything you need. So I think this works. This is an Android box that I am currently using. This actually acts like a mobile interface on your TV. Please do watch the Android box video that I had already shot. And this is the Airtel TV. So you can see what the size difference here is. It's huge. This is the Airtel TV remote. And I think this will give you a fair idea how big, huge Airtel TV is. Even if we compare the width, you can see this is huge. This is very small. This is as compact as a mobile phone or something like that. But this is and it works good. It's cheap. It works good. I'll definitely recommend you to see this. And this is the remote that I was talking about. This is the trackpad that you use in the mouse. This is a trackpad in this. But this has QWERTY keyboard. So if you want to type something in YouTube or Netflix or something like that, so it's easy to communicate. Here now you have to go to a keyboard and drag with mouse up down to make a sentence. Here you can directly type as a keyboard. I'll make a review of this shortly. we'll see how Airtel Internet TV works. And it has great competition from my Android TV box that I had bought. And you can see how small this is, how compact this is, and it works absolutely like a mobile phone on your TV screen. And it connects with internet and everything. It also has a LAN cable and digital port, optical port, and an HDMI port. So it does almost everything. Same thing with Airtel Internet TV, but this also provides normal Airtel connection and DTH connection thing. So let's see how this fares. I just bought it for myself. I'm reviewing it just because I want to share my experience with you. I hope this helps you in making your decision. Currently there are a lot of offers going on Airtel Internet TV. So if you already have a Airtel connection, upgrading is much easy. It can go from actual amount price was of approximately 7,000 rupees, but now it is approximate at 3,000 or 4,000 rupees for upgrade. So you can just go ahead and check. You can get it for even cheaper. Let us know if it works for you and if you opt for Airtel Internet TV and how it works for you. Thanks for watching.